Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we learn about how to resolve this error while installing the React application. So when I try to install a React application using NPX package is come from npm packages. So while I am trying to installing, I face this error. Installing package might take couple of minutes and then error timeout. So this errors come to because our package npm package is old version. So you can see here the major version of available because is a major updates. So I have not updated my npm package, so we need to update our npm package. So simply copy your currently now I have this latest version. You just copy npm install globally npm and add rate version name, press enter. It take a couple of minutes while installing our packages. So the package is updated. So now I am again installing my React app. React app installing, it's take a couple of minutes, so we are waiting. Almost there. So our application is installing. You can see left side our bar applications file, all the files of React application is come. Hey, finally, congratulations, we have successfully set up a basic React application. In our next video we will learn about the project structure and how to the best refined project structure create. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up and share it with your friend. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more learning content. Thank you.